I just got the Tasaca T500 and its bike is crazy, so let's unbox it. This is basically an 100-mile review. This bike's insane. For one, this was 100% my fault. I didn't have it fully on the kickstand and it fell over, so my screen cracked. But I do have footage of me hitting top speed. Bro, I'm so mad that I messed up and dropped the bike. Alright, for one, this bike is still pretty loud, but it's kind of the same as the Tudio. It's always gonna be loud. It's just how the mid-drive is, because it's a chain drive, but that gives it more torque and speed, I think. Good thing that I have like an editing software that can make it less loud. But, alright, but a little update. I need your help. So I low-key just bought upgraded front forks for my bike, mostly because I bent my forks, or I didn't do it. It was my friend. Not for this, the two. But he lubed my bike and he paid for it. But I don't know what to do. Should I sell my toot and save up for a Suron, or do I completely build out the toot with like upgraded powertrain and stuff? I don't know. But let's go. Okay, currently we are on the way to go to a trail that has a river that we have to cross through, and it has a bunch of other things like some small jumps, so we're going to be going there. But also, let's talk about the specs a bit. Alright, so this bike is a 52-volt battery, not 48-volt, 52, which is pretty cool because most bikes come stock with a 48-volt for this price. But the main thing on this bike is that it comes with a 5,500-watt motor, which is insane. This bike can go like 60, it advertises 52/55, but this thing, I've hit 62 on it, which is absolutely insane. By the way, sorry if you can't see the bars, I'm standing up because it's a bumpy trail. But yeah, it's actually crazy. Oh, we gotta get over this. Alright, but now we gotta go through this river, which is sketchy, but it's fine. And we actually made it through. And for some reason, the water just makes the bike like way quieter for like barely any time. When you hear my like, you can hear when I get air because my wheel spins because of my throttle. Because like I'm not the best at jumping, so I'll like keep on the throttle, but it's fine because you can just tell when I get air. And this thing's literally, the suspension on this thing is like a cushion. It's like actually so nice. It feels like a bed, or like I don't even know. Feels like you're on heaven. There's a couple small jumps up here, so that's why you're not going to be able to see my bars in a minute. Okay. Yo, there's a bus. What the heck? I've never noticed this. There's an abandoned bus. Yo, is this gonna be like the new thing? You know how Season 6 has a tunnel? Imagine this is a new thing for my channel, the bus, because I have to go here like every single time. Loki, if this video gets 1,000 likes, I will go inside that bus. I don't know how, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna try to get inside this bus. That's sketchy. It looks like it's been there for a while because like there's graffiti too, and it's like completely overgrown. Hit this jump up here. Oh, that wasn't that much air, but still air. To the freaking bird. Bird! Bird, bird, bird. There it is. Should we do a top speed test? Yeah, let's hit top speed. Gotta hit the turn signal. Oh, and you gotta drift in. All right, now let's check top speed, because my display is broken, so you can't really see it, but it says on here that we hit 62.4. Okay, there's a limiter too, because that's exactly what I hit when I full pinned when it was off the ground. So that means there's probably a limiter on the rev rate. That's kind of crazy. On the GPS, it's probably like 58, 59-ish, maybe 60. I haven't GPS tested it yet, though. Kind of just like warming up the tires and also the brakes. You can also buy Ultra B brakes. I think if you go on Amazon, you can literally find Yasma IN10 Ultra B brakes for $150 or $93 on Alibaba. And they come in like a few weeks because they're from China, but they fit this because Yasma IN10 parts also fit this. Which means that I'm doing a modding series. I've got a couple parts for the Yasma IN10 that I'm going to be putting on here to show the capability of this bike's modding potential, which is crazy because you can use other bikes' parts on here. That's how amazing this bike is. So for one, we got an upgraded front fender, which is going to make the bikes look so nice. And then maybe, just maybe, we'll take off the plastics and paint them black. That'd be pretty cool. All right, let's do a wheelie. I need to warm my brakes up a bit more. They're still a bit wet. Also, the range of this bike is insane because it's 52 volts, 30 amp hours, which I think when it's converted to like 48 volts, which is what a Tudio runs, it's like 33 or 34 amp hours, and the Tudio comes stock with 20 amp hours. That's actually crazy. Yasma, I think it's like 24 amp hours, which makes this way better than Yasma for the same price if you use code Braden. It's actually crazy. You get $200 off. Usually this thing's $1,400, but you can get it for $1,200. It's pretty crazy. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna... fully swerve. You can swerve this bike. That's looking crazy. Also, if you want more like this is low-key a wheelie tip, if you want more like balance or control, put your legs like kind of right there on your peg. I don't know if the camera's showing it, but like just kind of put your legs like that in a wheelie. It gives you so much more control. It feels like you're just like completely in control, and you can like, I was learning to swerve before my Tudio broke with it. Like it actually helps a lot. And then if you're learning to swerve, I recommend like kind of putting out a foot to just like kind of learn to do that, but in a wheelie. I'm not gonna do it on these knobbies, but you could probably do it on knobbies. I'm just like too scared because I'm a freaking weirdo. I'm gonna just go straight ahead to my friend's house. I think I just got stung by a bee. Okay, all right. That's a small house. Look at that clean Tudio.
That one's sponsored on the phone.
What?
I couldn't. That one's sponsored on the phone. He said he wants to make a RTR that's all like around Prime Customs, like the blue have Prime on it. I don't know.
So basically Starline, but with Prime.
Yeah.
I was standing on the seat and I low-key dropped it, but I caught it. Surf? Oh. No.
Tasaca.
See, this is how I broke my screen. If anyone's thinking that this bike is like unreliable, like that's the crap I do. Okay, time to do it again. School, bye. Oh. Wait, did I record that? Did I record that? Did I record that? Did I record that? Bike fell. Frick. I don't want my throttle to go crazy. Oh, ew! I got freaking dirt. It's fine. These grips are like literally so durable. Bro, the Tasaca is low-key good for wheelies because like the brake, you gotta wear it in a bit, but then it'll just like, your front wheel won't stop spinning for a while, which helps a lot with wheelies because like, I don't know, it's like physics and stuff. I had to learn that on this.
Yeah.
I should learn how to swerve.
I want to get the ankle fixed. Because you know how there was the one with the chrome with the titanium, like both these?
Yeah.
I want to get those. Those would be good. They're like 55 bucks.
Yeah.
And my mom's mine.
That's what I have on my tube when it's not titanium.
Yeah.
On stuff like that ship from China, the prime shipping doesn't work.
Oh. It still won't take that long, Sam.
Yeah. Look, it's the Yasma.
Yasma IN10.
Is that a real Gutsy cover?
Yes.
The side logos look like they're not in the right spot.
Yes, they are. What the fuck is that thing?
Tasaca.
Fucking torquey as shit, bud.
Goes 60 for 1200.
So, I have Ultra V brake ordered, front cherry blossom decal, and a football.
So,
Is the battery good?
And
yeah, it's 30 amp hours.
A
52
company
volt.
said they'd sponsor me with
What?
a t-shirt.
Who?
Company, I don't fucking know.
Like sending for free?
It's a random company.
Damn.
What do you think?
No, I.
But did you?
Yeah.
Wait, you
I
actually?
don't have a front brake now.
Oh. Yeah. Wait, can I try it? Can I try it? Can I try it?
Don't fucking use too hard.
I won't. I
Oh,
won't.
you have your front thing back on. You have your front thing.
You finally? How'd you finally? Why'd you take your front brake off?
That fell off, actually.
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, these brakes are lucky ass. Oh. Yo, this thing's sketchy.
What is?
Your brakes are kind of booty.
No, it's because the oil is flowing.
What?
The oil isn't flowing correctly.
You gotta add some more oil.
No, it's just because it's upside down.
Alright. Well, yeah, you gotta add some more oil to make it like better.
Just says that I've been naughty, I must learn to concentrate, but